If you live in Durban, when I say Durban I mean Morningside, Berea, Glenwood, Durban North, and you have a dog, then you're very fortunate because there's a mobile dog cleaning unit called Mobi Dog. Comes up to your premises and cleans your dog for you. This is Chris Bragman. He's been coming to my house once a month for the last 2 years to wash my dog for me. It was a job that I really didn't enjoy doing, and in more recent times, with my back being the way it is, it became pretty much impossible. Now I can't remember exactly who it was that recommended Mobi Dog to me, but I am eternally grateful. I wanted to check up to make sure that Chris was washing my dog correctly, so I asked Siri, what's the best way to wash a dog? Siri, what's the best way to wash a dog?
Here's a summary from Dog Time. How to wash your dog. 1. Brush your dog before a bath. 2. Use lukewarm water. 3. Talk to your pet in a calm and reassuring voice. 4. Use dog shampoo. 5. Rinse well. 6. Air dry. And 7. Reward your dog.
Mobi Dog ticked all of these boxes and a couple more, including dipping your dog and spraying it to smell nice. I don't think that Siri lives in South Africa, otherwise she'd know that dipping your dog is really important. And the final box that Mobi adds is nail clipping. Dog have done their job. We now have a clean bean. According to Siri, only one thing left to do, which is to reward your dog by allowing her to wallow in the only bit of dirt that she can find in the whole garden. Cat's happy, she's had a good gloat. And Chris is on his way. Mobi Dog, thanks again, you've done a great job.